To solve this, we're going to use the fact that sine squared plus cos squared equals 1, which means that cos squared is 1 minus sine squared. So if we substitute that into our equation, the cos squared becomes 1 minus sine squared theta, and we have minus 2 sine squared theta. Bring them all together, we get 3 sine squared theta minus sine theta minus 2 equals 0, and that factorizes. Which means we have two answers to solve. Sine theta equals minus 2/3, or sine theta equals 1. Sine theta equals 1 when theta equals 90 degrees. So that only gives us one solution in the range. Sine theta equals minus 2/3. From our calculator we get negative 41.81, and if we draw that on a cast diagram, I have two answers, and if we read off those answers we get that theta is negative 41.8 to 3 SF, and it is negative 138 again to 3 SF, and our answer of 90 degrees. To work out this area, we're going to integrate from 1 to 8, x to the power 1/3 plus 4x. If we add 1 to the power, we get 4/3, and divide by the new power is the same as multiplying by 3/4. X integrates to give 1/2 x squared, so this gives us 2x squared from 1 to 8. Substituting in the values, we have 3/4 times 8 to the power 4/3, so that is times 16, plus 2 times 64 minus 3/4 minus 2. And when we put that into our calculator, we get 549/4. You can see here in the mark scheme, say I've given the answer 137.25, but they do say all answers to 3 SF, so that should be 137 if you choose not to give the exact answer with the fractions.